Are you kidding me? We don't even have to pull it. It's just falling apart. It's delicious. Superb. Oh, look in there. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make a fantastic, and I think possibly the best slow pork in the crock pot, in the slow cooker. We're going to make this pulled pork, but you know, there's 100 different recipes out there. Many people make it their own way, own ingredients. This is my way. I think this is the best way to make an easy set it and leave it pulled pork. Now this obviously starts with some pork. It's pork collar. You can use Boston butt, you can use anything you want. This is pork collar, that's what we know it as here. And it's going to melt down with all those fats in there, and it's going to make a delicious, juicy pulled pork. Okay, now this pulled pork starts with making a rub. We've got to put a rub on there, so let's show you how to do it right now. So what we want to do, we want to put about 3 tablespoons of brown sugar in here. So a tablespoon of garlic powder, 3 tablespoons of paprika. Now use smoked paprika. If you don't have smoked paprika, use regular paprika and put in some liquid smoke if you so wish. About half a tablespoon of cumin, and we want 2 tablespoons of cracked black pepper. This is fresh sea salt. We want about a tablespoon. And now you don't have to add any dry spices, you know, because that on there is going to be absolutely fantastic, but I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oregano. Like I say, you don't have to add the dry spices. All we need to do now is give that a mix up, mix that over, and that is our rub for on that pork. Right, I've got this paper down here simply just to hold all the spices together so we don't have a lot of cleaning to do. Now you can do this on a tray or anything. I don't have a tray big enough here. So all we're going to do is take our spices, we're going to rub it all over that pork. So just get it all over your pork. Okay, and then all we need to do is take this pork and put the pork in the slow cooker. Then we want to be taking some chicken stock or pork stock, and we want to be adding to our slow cooker. Now I've got about a cup in there. Now if you have any spices left on your paper, you can also get that in round your pork. To that we're going to add some red onion round the side, over the top, up to you, and a little bit of garlic. Get some garlic in, and we just want a little squirt of apple cider vinegar. Not much. On with the lid, and we are setting it to high for 6 hours. Now you can put it on low for 8 hours, and this is going to cook in there. All that fluid in there that we put in is going to help steam and moisten the meat as it's cooking. So we just leave that now for 6 hours. That is looking super fork tender. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, look at that. Right, let's get some of that out onto a plate. Oh, look at that. So all we've got to do is get our forks in there and pull it apart. Oh, come on. Look at that. Are you kidding me? We don't even have to pull it. It's just falling apart. It's delicious. Superb. Oh, look in there. Let's just get it ripped up. Now that is pulled pork made Just look how superb that looks. So all there's left to do is put some in a burger with some barbecue sauce. A little bit of barbecue sauce on there. A little bit of pulled pork on there. Oh, look, oh, look at that. Stack it and rack it. A little bit more barbecue sauce. Oh, look at that. Oh, look in there. That, well, we know what it's like, you know, it's pulled pork, it just melts. Really delicious, great spices on there. That is really tasty. Superb pulled pork burger. But you know, you can have pulled pork on nachos, you can have it on anything. That is a cracking way to make pulled pork. There are 100 recipes out there. Use any spice mix, just put it in the slow cooker on high, 6 hours. That is wonderful. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.